Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to cover how to change your default search engine in Firefox. First, for PC users, click on the three bars at the top of the menu, then click on Settings. Now go to the Search tab and select your preferred search engine. If the search engine you wanted is not here, simply scroll down and click on Find More Search Engines and search for the one that you want. For example, I'm going to select Quant. Now to add it as your default search engine, click on Add to Firefox. Then click on Add. Here Firefox asking you if you wanna make this search engine your default. Click Yes. And to enable it in private windows, enable this option, then click OK. And that's it. Now Quant has become your default search engine. If you were using the application version of Firefox, simply click on the three dots, then scroll down to Settings, go to Search, then choose one of these search engines. If you have a different search engine in mind, click on Add Search Engine. Now click on Other, then add the name and URL of the search engine, and don't forget to add the query just like the example below. Then click here, and as you can see, Start Page has been added as a search engine, and now you can choose it as your default search engine. And now when you search something, you will get results from Start Page. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Like and subscribe. Until I meet you next time, bye.